Good morning, everybody. How are you guys today? What shall we draw today? I don't even know. Came out here in a hurry because it's going to be a freaking hot day today. Um, let's do something on this page. I forgot I was going to get up this morning and do my fingernails. Look at they all broke off. They look awful. That gel nail polish does a really good job of making my nails stronger so they don't break so much. It was a heck of a week this week at work, and I broke a lot of fingernails. Let's do something out of this. People are asking me where to get this deck. I bought it in a little shop in Hawaii. I have no idea where else you might be able to find it. Here is what it's called. It's called Tangles Speak. And here's the back in case you are interested in trying to find it. That's what the back looks like. And here is the UPC number and the information about their website, tanglespeak.com. This is from 2013, so I have no idea if this is even still being manufactured. Haven't got a clue. So just FYI, that's all I know about it. I don't know anything else. I'm going to go ahead and shuffle these around a little bit. Shuffle those around a little bit. Looks like I have a lot of purples and greens left. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to pick one. Let's pick a purple one since I have a lot of those yet. Toyz is the name of it. When we return to the innocence of the beginner's mind, we allow ourselves freedom to explore without judgment and to create without fear, allowing time for playfulness and appreciating the value of play in our busy lives. Nourish the inner child and empower the inner creative spirit. Toyz invites you to make time for your art and go play, which is cool. Okay, so it's sort of a string-like border type of a pattern. So it looks like we start with this kind of a shape. We go up and then with a hook. And then we do that same shape again, but go the other way, down and with a hook. And then we draw this line. This one gets a little dot on the top right there. Because over here, then we do this. And then we draw another line down, and we do another one, and we connect them all together. And if you do them without this little box part at the top, you get this. And then this one, they put the box part at the bottom on their sample. So let's try a little bit of Toyz. Let's zoom you in a little tiny bit. Oh, gosh. I have a hard time reaching my zoom button. It's right there at the edge of my ring light. I just have a hard time getting to it. Alrighty. What should I draw with today? Don't know what I feel like drawing with today. Kind of in the mood for purple. I have this purple gel pen. Why don't we do purple gel pen today? Why not? And I think I'm going to go with some kind of border, but I'm going to do a ziggy-zaggy, fun, kind of all over border like that. And then we're going to do, I want to make sure that this is dry before I stick my hand in it. Give me a moment to flap it about. Maybe I'll stick it over here at my air conditioner. I'm sorry if you hear that, but I cannot draw without it today. It is it's already almost 90 degrees outside. Very hot. Okay, so we want to do a bit that goes like that and like this. And then we want to go this way and this way. And I'm going to go ahead and do those in a row first, I think. Up and over and around, down and over and around. I'm going to go fast and see if that gives me a little bit more like movement. How many do I want here? I think I want 3. Let's do up and over and around, around, up and over and around, down and over and around, up and over and around, down and around, up and around, down and around, up and around, down and around. Oop. We're just going to go quick here. Something like that. And then we are going to do the thing with the dot. And a thing with a dot, and a thing with a dot, and a thing with a dot, and a thing. And I'm going to do them all going the same direction, so just like that. And then we want this shape here. So I want to do a like that. Very whimsical. Are they straight? No. Are they symmetrical? No. Are they fun and a good warm-up for me for today? Absolutely. Just like that. Now I think I'm going to embellish. So what do I want to do? Maybe an extra curl here. Why not? And we're going to go the other way as well. I think it'll be easier for me to do it this direction. Like that. What else do I want to do? I think I want to put stripes in these boxes. Like so. Let's do them different on each row here. Like that. And I feel like I want to make this line here thicker. If you guys are the praying kind, I would appreciate some prayers for a little baby named Elliot. He is being born today, and he is going to be born with some serious heart condition that's going to need surgery. Now, by the time this goes up, he will already have been born, and whatever is going to happen with him will already have happened. But it doesn't hurt for you guys to give him a little quick prayer. And should he survive birth, he will need your prayers. I will update you as I know things. But at this moment, he is being born. That's all I know. I love how you can see the purple ink dry in the camera. I can see that one's pretty much dry and that one's still wet. That's interesting. That's Toyz, and it's easy to do. A quick warm up for today, for this week, for whatever. I don't even know. Let me look on my calendar. Is this going to be a Monday morning one? Yes, it is. Oh, look at there. All right. So today was a quick and easy one. We are moving forward to the end of July, beginning of August. I can't believe that that's what's going to be going on here. I am way far ahead because, as you guys know, a vacation is on its way. So I need to be way, way far ahead because the week before vacation, I'm not going to have time to draw. The week of vacation, of course, I'm not going to have time to draw. And probably the week I get back from vacation, I might not have time to draw. So I have to be minimum of 3 weeks ahead. I'm trying to get 4 weeks ahead or 5. That would be really nice. I don't know if I'm going to get that far, but anyway. You guys have a great day. Do something nice for somebody today. Say a little prayer for somebody if you can. And I will see you on the next video. That was a quick one. See you later. Bye-bye.